Hi guys, these are all my coleus plants or Mayana in Tagalog. They called it Mayana in Tagalog sa Pilipinas. In Philippines. So, masyado na silang malago. Bushy-bushy na sila. And the pot is too small for them. So I need to replant them to save for the winter. Maybe this coming Sunday I will do it. We will do it by the help of Kuya, yung aking kasama magtanim-tanim. So guys, binili ko sila, kakapuringgit lang nila. Ganito lang kalaki siguro, sabi ko. But now so healthy. I'm happy at maganda sila. They look very pretty. This is finishing. Already finished flowering. And yan, that is variety of coleus. And they have a name over there. Yes, hindi ko inalis yung name nila. So masyado na akong nagugulat sa lago nila. And then dadating ang winter. So, I decided to cut them to preserve for the next coming year. So, I'm thinking, where can I start? But not this time, not today. So, I need an assistant. I need Kuya to help me. So, I searched already for how they cut and pruning. May maliliit silang leaves, guys, like this. Ayan. Na maliliit, ayan. May mga yan. So, ito dapat sila katin. But, lahat naman halos meron. So, healthy. So, ayan. Natuwa ko kasi para sa akin ang leaves ay parang flower na rin kasi very colorful. Varieties of coleus. They are so beautiful. Wala lang tayong malaking space. Or maybe we can plant over there at the backyard para maalis sila sa paso. Kaya lang baka ma-dead ball sa winter. So, ayan, problematic ako. Ay, baby, you're so beautiful. Thanks for the flower you gave me. I can give you a flower. Sabi nga ni Miley, no? Yes. So, dito kasi may balak akong gawin. Bibili na naman ako ng planter rock. Mura lang po yan. 1,000 something yen. So, pwede ko siyang ihilera dyan. Hindi naman tatamaan ng gulong ng aking sasakyan. Sabi ganun. And the problem is, ito nga, yan. What can I do for you, my baby dear? You're so bushy. Hindi sila bagay dito pag ganito na sila kalago. Kung ilalagay ko sila in front of our house, doon nga sila dati galing, ay naaano sila, nadadry, takaw tubig po ang coleus. Kaya lagi ko siyang dinidiligan kasi lalo na ito matampuhin, no? Hello, baby. Napakamatapuhin mo, no? Anong pangalan mo ba? Itong pangalan niya, guys. Ayan. Si Cowboy. Kaya naman pala eh. Cowboy ka pala eh. Like me, I'm cowboy too. Pero hindi ako matampuhin. So, yan ang kailangan kong gawin. May dadagdag na naman akong assignment. At then, look guys, hindi na makita ibang paso dyan, diba? So, I need to arrange again there again sir tuloy I will arrange again and again kasi kitchen garden ko nga yan dyan, puro mga makakain ng mga from garnish, pwedeng pang garnish. So ikakat kita dito, makakalbo sila, no? Kawawa naman. But I need to do that maybe because the stem is good naman, pretty good. And then your terracotta pot is too small for your bushy. Body. Ang lago-lago kasi nila. Pag sa likod ko ito nilagay, naku, talagang matuyo na talaga sila. And then, bye-bye na again. I don't like to lose them. So, I need to do something. Iakit ko naman sa balcony. Naku, baka magkaroon ng puno doon. Pwede rin siguro, pag-iisipan ko na lang. So, how can I save them? Ayoko nang lagyan ng halaman sa balcony dati kasi po meron. Para kasi maging sampayan lang kasi sa winter talaga struggle, no? Ngayon na uminit na naman, no? Nakakatuwa, November na, no? So, talagang ito. So, ayan. See you to the next kung paano namin gagawin to. This coming Sunday. Okay, see you guys. Tuloy natin po ang aking problematic kung paano ko sila isi-save. Thanks for watching. At may kasunod po ito. Thank you.